looking for effective ways to boost your productivity using AI tools? In this video, we will cover the top tools that can make a significant difference in your daily work routine. We will explore how to organize projects more efficiently, improve schedules, speed up content creation, manage tasks effectively, automate routine processes, easily organize information, and enhance team communication. You will discover how these tools can transform the way you work, helping you achieve unprecedented productivity. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more useful videos. Tool number 1. Trello. Trello is a project management tool based on a card system that allows you to organize tasks and projects visually and easily. Imagine being able to see all your tasks laid out like a storyboard, making it easy to track progress and stay on top of deadline. You can create boards with cards representing individual tasks, add checklists, attachments, and comments. One of Trello's standout features is integration with other applications like Slack and Google Drive, enabling seamless information transfer. You can also set deadlines for tasks and track work progress through the simple and efficient interface. This tool helps you see the big picture of your projects and their small details, significantly improving productivity. Trello also facilitates teamwork with its collaborative features, where each team member can follow their tasks and update their status in real time, enhancing the team's overall efficiency. Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic automation tool that allows you to connect multiple applications and perform automatic tasks between them. Imagine a world where routine tasks are handled seamlessly without any manual intervention. For example, you can set up a Zap to automatically copy data from your email to a spreadsheet, or post updates automatically on social media when new content is added to your website. With its automation capabilities, Zapier helps you save time and effort on repetitive routine tasks, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your work. This tool enables you to create custom workflows based on your specific needs, making it easier to improve work efficiency. With integration with over 2,000 apps, you can use Zapier to automate a wide range of processes, from marketing to customer management. Imagine the relief of knowing that tedious tasks are taken care of, giving you more time to innovate and drive your projects forward. Notion AI. Notion AI is a comprehensive application for managing information and projects, using AI to analyze and organize texts. You can use Notion for note-taking, project management, and goal tracking. Imagine having a single tool that keeps all your information organized and accessible. The AI in Notion offers suggestions to improve information organization and simplify work. Notion integrates with other tools like Trello and Slack, allowing you to manage all aspects of your work from one place. With its flexibility and adaptability to your needs, Notion is an essential tool for keeping your ideas and projects organized. You can use Notion to create custom databases, dashboards, and collaborative documents, facilitating teamwork and achieving shared goals. With its simple and efficient interface, you can customize Notion to perfectly meet your unique needs. Imagine the satisfaction of having a well-organized workspace that enhances your creativity and productivity. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a powerful content creation tool that uses AI to deliver high-quality text quickly and efficiently. Whether you need to write articles, social media posts, or video scripts, Jasper AI can help. With advanced machine learning models, Jasper AI can understand the context of the text and provide content that meets your requirements. The tool supports multiple languages and allows you to edit the suggested texts for optimal results. Jasper AI helps you save time and effort in producing high-quality content quickly. Additionally, you can customize the writing style and tone to match your target audience, enhancing the effectiveness of your message. Imagine the thrill of seeing your content come to life in a way that resonates with your audience, all while saving hours of work. The joy of having your ideas transformed into compelling text effortlessly is truly a game changer. Todoist. Todoist is a task management app that helps you organize your day efficiently. You can create multiple task lists, set due dates, and categorize tasks based on priority. Imagine waking up each day with a clear plan of what needs to be done, reducing the stress of wondering what to tackle next. Todoist uses AI to provide recommendations on how to arrange your tasks and prioritize them. You can sync Todoist with other applications like Google Calendar and Slack, making task management more integrated and easier. The tool also provides periodic reports on your progress, helping you understand your productivity and make necessary improvements. Todoist allows you to track your progress and set goals, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters most. It also offers a smart reminders feature that reminds you of important tasks based on your daily work context. Imagine the satisfaction of checking off completed tasks and seeing your progress, knowing that you're on track to achieving your goals. Clockwise. Clockwise is a smart time management assistant that uses AI to analyze your schedule and suggest optimal times for meetings and focused work. Picture having a personal assistant who understands your work patterns and helps you make the most of your time. Clockwise adapts to sudden changes in your schedule, offers recommendations to optimize time distribution. With its advanced technology, you can customize the times you want to be available for meetings and focused work. This app helps you reduce distractions and increase focus, allowing you to achieve more in less time. Additionally, Clockwise analyzes your work patterns and suggests continuous improvements to ensure optimal time utilization. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your time is being used in the most effective way possible, allowing you to accomplish more and feel more in control of your day. Slack. Slack is a tool for effective communication among work teams. The tool relies on AI to analyze conversations, suggest responses, and organize conversations intelligently. Imagine a communication hub where everything is organized, making it easy to find what you need. Slack can improve productivity by organizing conversations by topics, providing recommendations for quick responses, and analyzing data to identify patterns and potential issues. This tool allows teams to collaborate more efficiently, reduce distractions, and focus on achieving common goals. Slack can integrate with other tools like Trello and Zapier, making project management and team communication easier. With its advanced features, Slack can enhance internal communication and boost productivity in various work environments. Additionally, Slack offers features like file sharing, voice and video calls, and app integration, making it a comprehensive collaboration hub for work. Imagine the joy of seamless communication and collaboration, knowing that your team is always in sync and moving towards common goals. These were the top 7 AI-powered tools for boosting productivity. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share the video with your friends. Share your experience with these tools or any other AI-powered tools in the comments. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more useful videos.